Through my 6 years of experience, I realized something many businesses thrive.
How can you get your first client?
But let's be honest, no career path is a straight road. It's filled with crossroads, speed bumps, and unexpected detours. So that's when I decided to flip the script, and instead of just working only with the job part, but I also thought to build a journey instead of consulting. I created collaboration, which comes into my goals to help startups and businesses, not just in India but across the globe. I was working, so it was very difficult for me. Midnight, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., and I was only 20 to 23 at that age. So it was very difficult for me. But okay, I said that this is what I need to. I always see my father when he's working 24 hours just for us. So why we can't do this?
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Business Talk Show presented by Expertise, your trusted business consulting firm based on right here in Alberta. We are thrilled to have you with us today as we bring together inspiring entrepreneurs, innovators, and experts who are shaping the future of the business. Today, we are excited to welcome a truly remarkable guest, Sakshi, the visionary founder behind Two Indian Moms in India. She is a successful entrepreneur, digital marketer, voice artist, social worker, and she is here to share her story with us. Sakshi's journey from being an army kid to running a thriving international business is nothing but a shot of inspiration. Welcome, Sakshi. It's a pleasure to have you at our Business Talk show.
Thank
So
you.
to start things off, could you share a little bit about your background and the journey that led you to wherever you are today with Tim and all other ventures?
Sure. Thank you, Janni. Thank you. And thank you, Expertise, to calling me as a guest over here and share my experience. So, hey, everyone. I'm Sakshi. I come from a family rooted in army and real estate world. But instead of laying bricks, my foundation was built on freedom. My family never handed me in a blueprint for life. Instead, they just give me a piece of advice that do whatever you want, but make sure it's something you love and do it with a good intention. So I stepped into the professional battlefield where every role felt like a different chapter in my story. So if I'll come into my own firm of the consulting and helping the digital marketing strategies, but let's be honest, no career path is a straight road. It's filled with crossroads, speed bumps, and unexpected detours. So, through my 6 years of experience, I realized something many businesses thrive because they have a financial head start. But then I thought, like, what about those who are still finding their footing into the routing? Like, okay, now they can start their own. So that's when I decided to flip the script, and instead of just working only with the job part, but I also thought to build a journey instead of consulting. I created collaboration, which comes into my goals to help startups and businesses, not just in India but across the globe, grow without breaking the bank. And I offer strategies, the work, not just for any of the big players but anyone who is into the startup with into a not that a big amount of money.
Okay. Good to know about that.
Yeah.
So starting a business on your own, especially when it's something like really outside of your what family is expected, right?
Yeah.
So I hope that, but that's really nice that you said that your family is so supportive that like whatever you like to do, I think that's been a great support, I would say, because not
Yes.
everyone can get it, to be very honest. So that incredibly challenging. Can you share with us like how you overcame those early challenges? Because I assume that whenever we start up like any kind of the business, everyone probably face almost the same challenges. Specifically if I'm talking about like how can you get your first client, like how difficult it is and how you get that.
Okay, so as I said that I have so many struggles in my working profession part. So as I told that I have completed my graduation and then I come up with a small part into a digital marketing field. But again, it's not easy because it's not about as a girl, but it's an equality where male and female both are struggling in their job careers. You have to be a very good mind reader. You have to be into a very strong background that okay, something is not wrong and something is not right, but again, whatever boss is saying, you have to agree. We are coming in that kind of circle as well, where people are facing so many financial crises. They are not getting any kind of increment, right? But still they are struggling because emis are there, their responsibilities are there. There are many kind of relations are coming, like, I'll be open blunt, but people are always thought that okay, if this one is coming, let's have a try. Okay, they are getting in harassment, they are getting a many, but they are silent. Why? Because they have their own idea. But again, what they can do, because there is a money and financial barriers overcome.
True.
So everything I have been saw in my career of a professional journey, where I have been worked into an MNC companies, I have been worked into a startups, but everyone mindset is same. They think that okay, if they have a financial crisis, they can also have an extramarital affair as well. But that is not true, because everyone came up by their own mindset. I have been done. Okay, I am a very open blunt. I can't do a part, okay, you are wrong, but I'll say you are right. So things started from there. It's like everyone, it's like that, okay, people are loving me through my nature and through my work, but they don't love me. But when it's come to making an against, when something is going on wrong. So then I started, and I have been work from 5,000 rupees, which is INR, and now I'm earning a very good. So it's a ups and down also, I have faced a lot. uh, I agree, my father is a builder, but again, I don't want any of the help, because then in future I will never learn how to take your responsibilities by own, and how to build by your own. So this is something which I have been struggled. The second thing which has come up in my mind, okay, so when I left one of the company, I thought everyone is facing a challenges. People are giving so much amount of money because they have a financial strong background. But again, when it's come to a lower one who are not that much kind of affordable, but they have their own mindset, so I thought, why not to help them with my own knowledge, because I have so much lots of experience. So if from my knowledge, if anyone can grow into their any business, it can be a little bit stall of a pani puri, or a big amount of business which comes into a manufacturing factories, the industrial areas, anywhere. So I always thought it to start as a consulting, to give a proper branding and strategizing thing. But it was very difficult, because it's always felt like I have struggled a lot. I don't want anyone will struggle like this field. It's not
Okay.
about that into an harassment. I have been very strong, but it's about the mental peace as well.
Mental peace.
Working lately and then not getting an appreciation. So this is something which hurts, and I don't want to be anyone a part of it. So I thought to start my own, helping my own, so they can at least earn by themselves,
True.
and at least they have their own backup. So
I
yeah.
Okay. And as you said, I would like to ask you from your answers that, like, how can you make yourself consistent and stay motivated uh, to grow more, or maybe just add on the new services into your business? Because obviously, just to keep the same, I think that's getting uh, maybe the lowest phase of the business. So you always have to be accept the new environment, right? Or to
Yeah.
maybe accept the new things, new technologies, and like that. So how can you make yourself, like, to be consistent in your business, to stay motivated and to keep growing?
Okay. So again, my family is very supportive. My friends are very supportive, and I'm a big Lord Shiva bhakt. So I always stay make a calm and making everything by them. What you? It's like a conversation with him, making me a very calm and motivated. I was not like before that, but yeah, once the period has been over and things, if we talk about the technologies, we needed to stay updated because digital marketing is very vast. You never know what kind of clients come up to you and ask you, okay, can you do the marketing for us? But it is very difficult because I am an Indian and I'm very proud, but in Indian the mentality is very different. Okay, so they are very unpredictable. They will in 1 second they will just give you that, okay, is this what they you wanted to do? They don't know about the technology, but they always expect that, okay, this is something new, but I want to use this for my business, which is not possible. So struggles are very rare. I need to be motivated. It's I like somehow I felt that just give up and go back. But then again, what I have started and from where I have started my own journey. So, okay, struggles are real. You have to face whether you are into a personal life or professional life. So, making self motivated, okay, this is the something which I needed to face, we will face. So,
That's
this
true.
is my, yeah, this is my main motto.
True, because I have heard that like so many people started their business, but like in a few and like very few time, or I would say like very short time, they are just like drop off the plan just because
Yeah.
of this. So that was
Yes.
the my question, which definitely can help our listeners for sure.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
I have one more questions for you that like one of the major milestones for any entrepreneur in landing the first client, as I've already asked you, right? So could you tell us that have you faced any difficult client? As you said, obviously every entrepreneurs face the difficult clients, but the way you handle the client to make them satisfied, I think that's the big task. So have you ever faced like this kind of client and you satisfied them and they are happy with your services and how it works?
Yeah, so both of them I'll share a short, not a story, but into a line. So the things was started when I started my consulting firm and everything. So it's not because I'm working as well as a professional job, but the other
Hmm.
side is something which has come to do by sell something a different, which we can call a passion and my job as well. So when I used to pitch like 3 to 4 years back to any of the client, it was very difficult because that time technology was definitely very different. You have only 5 6 limited platforms where you needed to serve, you needed to do their advertisement, their marketing, whether you are in chemical background, manufacturing background, the healthcare, or any kind of that. But you have the limited slots, you have the limited budget. So people are like that, okay, this is a startup. So uh, they are also not sure that, okay, if we are spending any kind of money, are we into a good road, or are we are also not sure because we can't trust anyone because this is something of first. So initially basis same thing was happened that I have started two mini projects which is costing nearby 15,000 and 20,000. It's regarding the sports industries related only. They have a good financially turnovers they are getting, but when it's talk about the advance or the full payment, they always deny. We will do that, we will do that. That's take up almost 3 to 4 months, and we didn't get any kind of the paybacks which we have done. I have done especially for 2 to 3 months for their, but it's like, okay, this is our first client,
First client.
this is our first client, so we need testimonials, so we will do this. So
Exactly.
I always prefer don't do this because you are implementing your timing as well, and this is very important. Okay, you are giving your knowledge because you need a money. So no,
Hmm.
it's not like this. You are efforting the everything and you deserve that payback. That
We
is
do that.
why you are doing this.
Correct.
So that is the first mistake I have done in my life. I just go through with this, okay, this is, and I was very innocent. So everyone's like, we are facing it's like
Correct.
payment is pending. So once we will receive, we will give you
We will give
3 months, 4 months, 6 months. It's been 8 months. I didn't get any of the things. But it's like, okay, I am working. So at least monthly basis, I am getting anything because this is my own decision. I want to come up in this zone.
Hmm.
I want to come up in this field area. But after that, when I saw the real world, so I said, why would I suffer? People are giving, and give and take is going on. So when it's up to my marketing place, why people are giving like this? So I have analyzed the whole strategy. I said, okay, it's my fault. I am making so much innocence towards the people and towards their marketing. On like dignity and self-respect is one of the very most important thing in any of the profession or even your person. The
Hmm.
self-respect is very much
Right.
so. Then again, I have started slowly basis a reference based thing.
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm
this is a
sorry to
project.
interrupt you in this. So,
Yeah,
like, your first client is the referral base, or
that
you
was a
get
referral base.
that was a referral base?
And that was one of my into a family friend only. I'll be very blunt.
Okay.
They were expecting they need a marketing for 3 months in just a 1500 rupees. That is not possible now. But I said, okay, a relations comes here, a family relations comes here. But so it's not about the relation. If it's come to the professional part, nobody will leave you if they have their own different. So that's early say my father and mother always say me, do whatever but with your good intention. You never know what it will come, because this is a karmic thing which always reflect to you, either into a good part or bad part. So after that, the second referral part I have received, and that was a project of lump sum 30 to 40,000. That was purely into a marketing where I needed to do all the 360-degree of them. I was working, so it was very difficult for me because 8 hours of working in job, and then again coming back to home, and then 3 to 4 hours giving the inputs for our consulting clients as well, and their meetings, and that meetings is a long term, happening in a midnight 2 a.m., 3 a.m.,
I
and then
totally
again
agree with you
early morning.
because
Yeah, it
I'm
was.
doing the same thing right now. So I know how hard
Yeah.
to maintain both the businesses
And
at the same
yeah,
point.
it is, and I was only 20 to 23 at that age. So it was very difficult for me, but okay, I said that this is what I need to do. I always see my father, but he's working 24 hours just for us, so why we can't do this? So after all the hurdles, again the same thing, the same format was about to happen, but I already said I need a 60% of advance and then 40%. Let's play like this, because I have a very bad expectations towards my client into a money based way.
No, but I think
uh,
I totally agree with you that when it comes to
yeah,
the professional life, I think doesn't matter. It's like a friends, family, or
yeah,
the like an unknown person. I think the rules should be the same for all.
the same,
So I think that's
exactly.
how we can run the business on the
Yeah,
very
true.
transparent ways, right?
Yes,
So,
yes.
okay, Sakshi. So let's take a break a little bit here. I would like to take a moment here to introduce our business consulting firm Expertise. Based here in Alberta, we are proud to present the Business Talk Show, a platform where we bring together business minds and experts like Sakshi to share their stories, challenges, and success. Our goal is to inspire and empower others by creating the space for knowledge, sharing, networking, and the business growth. So, if you are a business owner looking to gain a visibility, connect with others, and showcase your journey, Expert is the perfect place for you. We are here to help you grow and succeed. So, if you are ready to take your business to the another level, join us and be a part of the Business Talk Show Expertise. Yes, Sakshi. So, we are just going to back to our questions. So,
Yes.
my question is that you have successfully built an international portfolio as well
Yeah.
and
Yes.
expanded your business in the various sectors. So, what are the strategies or habits did you adopt that help you to grow your business or success across like a many different fields and even the out of country? Because like out of country, getting the clients are not a piece of cake for
Yeah.
sure.
Yes,
right?
yes.
So I really would like to know that how you approach your international client.
Okay. So, collaboration and the social extrovert is something which I am. I love to be engaged into a people with anyone, whether it is into a professional journey or into a personal terms. So, likewise, I said that I am working as well and helping the people otherwise and doing the consulting as well. So, making a connection not only through LinkedIn on any kind of platform, but I have also attended many kind of webinar and seminars as well. Even my old of the workplace where I have to be work, so they do have their ex clients which they are working with them, and I was closely working and following their projects and taking a leadership for my client side, which my workplace client side. But slowly steadily, making a good terms and making into a transparency is, I believe, very much important. So let's be into a one line that something which is not possible, don't commit to any of the client, because it can hamper your transparency and trust factor as well. If you have any kind of work which is coming up into a 20 or 30,000, whether you're working as a freelancer, a startup, or a well-known company industry, don't just throw the money that it will cost 1 lakh 80,000 or so much, because they know they have the analysis part. Three things are very important of any kind of professional: be upfront, just say what is possible, don't commit extra, because they will expect a lot of more from your end. It's like a sales strategy. If you are
Mhm.
giving 5 leads every month or every day, boss will always accept,
Yes,
okay,
seven.
5 is good, you can do 7. So
True.
don't matlab, don't say anything like that, okay, you have to do this, we will do this, you can just give this project. No, if it is not possible, just walk away. And it applies for everyone. So making a good terms with them, and they understand that, okay, I always not believe money is always a first priority, but I believe it should be a 50-50 towards your profession and your money part as well. So making my clients, and then things were happened 3 to 4 years back where I was used to working. That clients pitch me up through the LinkedIn. They have given me the WhatsApp number. We have some chit chats like on WhatsApp, and like, oh, after
Mhm.
1 year they have started their own business, and then they called me, and then they are giving their references. Making an engagement post and content is also very much
Mhm.
important. Not about that we are giving the services, but stay updated towards the trends, what is happening right now, what impact we can have. So collaboration, I think, is the first thing. If you can make your client a good friend, you can walk together at least not a year but more than 10 years as well. So the same fund and strategies I'm using, it's okay if they are not giving me any kind of services, but at least I have a good connection in my good books, because people are not good in right now the
Yes.
way surroundings are going on.
Mhm.
And you don't know who will come into your role and into the picture. So
Yeah,
yeah, this is the funda. Make your
for sure.
clients every time a friend.
What is your future goals? Are you gonna come with some interesting product, or are you gonna implement something into your business? Like, I really would like to know your future goals.
Okay. So yeah, we are coming with a very good multiple of products which is coming to help all the industries background, whether it is small or big. It is for any kind of, for the housewife if they are working anything, for the freelancer. So to Indian mom, this is one of the dream which we can say. But I am not one of the person who has initiated this. One more person is there who is the main one whose dream was here to build a two Indian monk like this, and he's my partner. So when like we were used to work together in a same profession zone, and when its course started, so I always left the job, and I was very upset because, yeah, like I said that I have struggled a lot. So before the after saying any kind of product, you must know like why this company has started and what we have done. So it is just a short description, I'll just explain. So thinking about, he is good into the development part, he knows about the CRM softwares and everything. I am the another one who knows the marketing. So he asked me to join and initiated with that part. So he's the founder of the company, and I am also the second partner, you can call the co-founder or anything. So we have just started our small businesses and then into a big platform. And as I have been government certified as well with, so I have been worked with training part with Western Railways, so I have the ideas to how to work with governments as well. So, Two Indian Monk is one of where we are giving the services of software development, the marketing, branding, voiceovers, as I'm the voiceover artist as well. So, helping them into a voiceover part, helping them into a social cause. So, like we have our Tim's Foundation and Shivanya as well, which is Shiv Ka Ashirwad. This is a small social work form we have where we can helping the animals and the peoples and everyone. So this is the one side of the Two Indian Monk which we are into. The another is into the IT and services. In that we have founded the Thai book and Tims. So now Two Indian Monk is changed with Tims. This is the one upcoming news which we are waiting for. And Tims, in the Tims we have launched multiple products which is come into the Tybook. Tybook is one of where is an accounting software where you can create your purchase order, invoice order, but with a good insight. Why it is unique? So when people are buying anything towards the Amazon third party application or any app, they don't know the proper analytics, and it is always disturbed when it's come to the return text part or any kind of taxable. So we are helping there. We have viewed a multiple invoice free generator tools where you don't need to be a sign up, no generator part, nothing you need to do. You just needed to put the details of your clients and it will be downloaded. There is no fingerprints of the Tims or anything. It's just yours, and you can use them a multiple times as it is a free. So this is then upcoming thing. And the third upcoming is for the marketing basis. So as I said that I am more into international part and Indian part as well. So we have strategized one consulting marketing services which is costing 15,000 rupees INR, and it is suitable for any of the industries and any way, wherever they are. Either they are from Canada, they are from Ukraine, they are from Dubai, or they are from India. The cost will be same, which will be monthly basis 50,000 INR, where you will get a good amount of lead generation, the advertisement part, the branding, the strategies. And this is not for small businesses, but this is for the big businesses as well, because we have 100% guarantee that we are charging this much amount, but it will comes into last how many zeros they will earn into their ROI. They can't even imagine. So we
Wow.
have a 20 to 30 plus clients I have been worked with into in Ontario, Toronto, Brampton, and they are still in touch with me. And yeah, we are expanding more if we terms into the two stated, which is STEMs. Yeah.
Sounds really interesting is coming.
Yes.
Okay, so just want to ask you, like in a very um, the short sentence, that where do you see your Tim in the next few years?
So as I'm working as well, so but yeah, this is something an interesting part. So my future seeing the Tims is clearly that I am working, but soon the turn will become where we will only doing a work or everything from Tims only, and we will be making a very good place where interns can learn anything from us, the live projects they can use. Because uh, why again we are unique, people when they are offering any kind of interns, they little bit they are scared that okay, the project is big, but we are coming here to helping interns that okay, if they will feel the real life example projects, so they will learn into their future betterment. The another things, this will be then on-site and work remote, so we are making an happening place where you can come into your night suits as well, or you, if you don't have time to come on site, you can do the work from home. Because whatever I have suffered, whatever my partner, which is into the professional terms, he has suffered, the our team's employees has suffered, we don't want that these things will be happen with any of them. So yeah, in 2 3 years, you will see a bigger brand, and I can say a bigger hoarding towards our products, not only in India, but definitely our target is Canada and the UK and UAE as well. Yes.
That's interesting, and all the really best for your future
Thank you.
plans.
Yes. Thanks.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Shakshi, for giving such an valuable insight. I just really would like to know what is your feedback about our talk show? Like, how do you feel? And do you feel that it's worth to give your 1 hour to us? And do you recommend the expertise to other entrepreneurs to share their journey with us?
Yeah, so this is what I was yet to be coming up with, that expertise doing a great job, because many of them are waiting to elaborate their journey, what situations they have handled, and how they are succeeding, any kind of key tips. And this is something, 1 hour is definitely worth. I can sit 6 hours as well, because this is something where all the business needs, okay, everyone doing the podcast and talk show with the real scenarios, okay, this things has happened, this is happened, but nobody has thought about the business talk show. So where people can share their journey, not for the personal life but their professional as well. So I will definitely recommend as well. And thank you expertise for calling me out here, because this is the greatest platform where I think now our both journey has started together. And I will definitely recommend that anyone who is starting their own business, they have earned a lot as an entrepreneur, who have even struggled their faces and what challenges they can put, just feel to come the expertise. They will make your brand here to there. But yeah, thank you so much once again, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Shakshi, for your kind words and for joining us today and sharing your inspiring journey. And
Yeah.
thank you to all our viewers for tuning in. So we hope you find today's conversation is really insightful and motivating for all of you guys. And from the overcoming challenges in your career to building an international brand and planning the launch of your accounting software, so you are truly motivating person who can really help our listeners as well. So, really, thank you again for sharing your incredible journey and
Thank you.
valuable insights today. So, don't forget to follow Expertise for more updates and the upcoming episodes as well. So, until next time, stay inspired and keep growing your business.
Thank you. Bye bye.